Hello and welcome to Gentle Health. I am Dr. Steven, and today I want to share something very important with you, especially if you are over 60 and feel that your legs are not as strong as they used to be. After more than 40 years of studying aging muscles, I can tell you this: losing leg strength is not just about getting older. Inside aging muscles, the body slowly stops making enough repair proteins. This causes muscles to weaken, even if you are still active. The good news is that food can help wake those muscles back up. Research shows that the right foods can improve circulation, protect joints, and rebuild leg strength, even in people in their 80s and 90s. What you eat truly matters more than your age. Let us begin with sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes help protect muscle cells and give steady energy to your legs. They are rich in vitamin A and potassium, which support muscle movement and reduce cramps. Steaming them with the skin on keeps the nutrients strong, and eating them a few times a week can make walking and standing easier. Next are sardines. Sardines are small, but very powerful. They provide protein, omega-3 fats, vitamin D, and calcium all together. These nutrients help muscles stay flexible and strong and reduce the risk of falls. Eating sardines 2 times a week can slow muscle loss and improve balance. Black beans are another excellent food for leg strength. They provide plant protein, magnesium, and fiber that supports healthy muscles and digestion. Black beans also help prevent muscle breakdown while you sleep. Eating them most days of the week can improve endurance and stair climbing. Eggs are especially important for seniors. Whole eggs help muscles rebuild faster and improve coordination between your brain and legs. Soft-cooked eggs are easiest to absorb and work best when eaten after walking or light exercise. Finally, wild-caught salmon is the most powerful food for aging muscles. It contains high-quality protein, omega-3 fats, vitamin D, and antioxidants that protect muscle cells. Eating wild salmon several times a week can improve leg strength, walking speed, and balance. Your legs are not weak because of age alone. With the right foods, they can grow stronger again. This is Dr. Steven from Gentle Health, reminding you that simple daily choices can help you stay steady, strong, and independent.